In the world of industrial automation and control, a stable and reliable power supply is the key to making sure everything runs as smooth as silk. Today, we're going to give you an in-depth look at the appeal of DIN Rail Power Supply and how Wison can be your power solutions expert. DIN Rail Power Supply, the name may ring in your ears, but do you really know what it does? This power supply is especially designed for use in electrical control cabinets and is mounted on a standard DIN rail. It is not only space-saving and easy to install, but also provides a strong heart for your equipment. Its role is much more than that. DIN Rail Power Supply can convert the input AC power into stable DC power, and has high efficiency and multiple protection functions. Whether facing voltage fluctuations or short power outages, it can maintain the stability of the output voltage to protect the normal operation of the equipment. DIN Rail Power Supply models are diverse and there are many series to choose from. We briefly introduce the 5 main types, with outputs ranging from 15 watt to 960 watt, and our power supplies are easy to use and affordable. The first is the HDR series, suitable for low power requirements, with an output power range of 15 watt to 100 watt, suitable for powering small devices. Secondly, the EDR series is medium power, usually between 60 watt and 240 watt, for general industrial equipment. Next, the MDR series is more powerful than the EDR series, supporting outputs from 75 watt to 960 watt for scenarios that require higher power. If you want even more power, we have the NDR series, with outputs ranging from 75 watt to 960 watt, commonly used in scenarios requiring higher reliability and compact installations. Finally, the DR series is our classic series, widely used in industrial automation, with output power ranging from 30 watt to 960 watt, adapting to a variety of industrial environments. With their reliability and diverse power options, these series of DIN Rail power supplies are widely used in industrial automation and control applications such as PLC systems, factory automation equipment, and building automation. Whether it's supporting the stable operation of production lines or providing power for critical equipment, these power supplies are up to the task. Thank you for watching. Wison, your power solution experts, dedicated to providing you with efficient and reliable power support. Please feel free to contact us or subscribe to our channel if you have any questions or needs. See you next time.